R-Apps TallyPrime Cloud Solutions, a cybersecurity solution for TallyPrime designed for modern businesses. Features: 1. Centralized TallyPrime data. 2. Convert your local on-premises server into a secured cloud server. 3. Access TallyPrime data remotely only for assigned employees. Fourthly, there's no need for a public IP, also known as a static IP, from your ISP at either the server or the remote side. And fifthly, there's no need for port forwarding on your public IP. Sixthly, there's no need for a hardware firewall. Seventhly, there's no need for a shared TallyPrime data drive for LAN and remote users. No need for TallyPrime application installation on every system, no upgrade or release installation hassles. Export TallyPrime files like PDFs, XLS and XML securely and mount them as a local network drive, for example R drive, for both remote and LAN users. Uses only original printer drivers, eliminating issues with margins, columns and font sizes. No more universal or virtual printers. Boosts TallyPrime performance through R-Apps. Ensures TallyPrime data is fully secured. No unauthorized copying or pasting on local systems. User-specific personal folders can be mounted on remote systems with R-Apps ACL's feature. Why rely on outdated legacy remote access software? R-Apps is stable, reliable, and meets modern security and employee requirements. From an IT manager's perspective, the absence of public IP and port forwarding at the server makes it highly secure and recommended. Request a demo today. Call us at 9922413520 or email sales@r-apps.in. R-Apps TallyPrime, the secure, hassle-free way to manage TallyPrime.